In this video, you will learn how to add unique and stunning background animations to your Elementor website. With these simple steps, you can create an engaging user experience that will leave a lasting impression on your visitors. Get ready to take your website to the next level with these exciting background animation techniques. These animation effects can be added to Elementor sections. The first step is to add a free add-on called Marvi. Go to the plugin section and search for the plugin. After activation, these animation options will be added to your Elementor Builder panel. Let's try some animation style on home page sections. With those trendy background animations, bring your site to life. Every animation is fully responsive and will make your creation look good on any device. The best part about the plugin is we can control everything from the animation size, speed and color, to match them with our site design. You can use it with any theme which supports Elementor. This cloud effect is one of my favorites. In the Pro version, you can access all these amazing background effects. Take a look at these effects. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress plugin reviews and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.